Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to give you a quick as I can introduction to Marketing Hub, Zoho's new marketing hub, as it says, an all-in-one marketing automation software that helps you successfully manage your marketing activities. This is an introduction to the features, pricing, everything that you need to know about what it can do. It's not exactly how to do it. If you want to go get some training, I've got some free Marketing Hub training, and I will link to some more training in the video description. What really helps me at this time when I'm starting these and doing them year on year is if you pause me at this moment and write in the comments why you're here, what you're looking to learn, and if it's not in this video, I'll try and point you by replying to you in the right direction to something you might be looking for, or there might be questions I don't answer that I can answer in the comments. So if you can just pause me now and tell me why you're here, it really helps me going forward. And finally, before I get started, if you get any, if you like this video, oh my god, throat going already. If you like this video and you get some value out of it, a subscribe would be amazing, and a like would be cool too. But let's get into it.